Okay, good evening everyone. I'm so sorry I have to use this and I have to do it this way. I'm so sorry I left the class. And now we're going to just be having this stuff this way. We said we're talking about, I have the thing here, interpolation. And here now, instead of, because in the last class I introduced a bit about it. So let's just try using this interpolation to solve something calmly. So I'm going to take a question. I think I wrote the question out in the last class. And I said the question is going to be that find the, because there are ways for solving interpolation, for doing interpolation. So find the interpolation polynomial. Find the Lagrange interpolation polynomial. That is what we want to treat today. Lagrange interpolation polynomial. That is what we are looking for. Okay. So, given that f of 1 is equal to minus 3, f of 3 is equal to 9, f of 4 is equal to 30, and f of 6 is equal to 132. Find the Lagrange interpolation polynomial. That is going to be p of x. That is what we are looking for. Our p of x is going to be Lagrange, 0th Lagrange of x times f of 1, f of x1 plus first Lagrange of x times f of x2 plus second Lagrange of x times f of 1, 2 plus third Lagrange of x times f of 4. So up to infinity, depending on the number of things we have. I think we have just 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is my f of 0? My f of 0 is, my x0 is what I should solve first. I will write x0, and that x0 should be equal to 1. I will write x1. That x1 should be equal to this 3 that is inside this thing. I'll write x2. That x2 should be equal to this 4. And I'll write x3, which should be equal to this 6. And after then, I have f of 0, that is f of 1. Because x0, that is f0 now is simply f of x0. And that is minus 3. So f of x1, that is f of 1, is equal to what? 9. F of x2, that is f2, is equal to 30. And f of x3, that is f3, is equal to 132. And after this now, we're not going to use the formula that p of x equal to this. Now, we want to know the value of L0, to know the value of L1, to know the value of L2, and L3. Once we know those values, we just multiply them with these ones, have the sum to be equal to the polynomial we are looking for. So what is L0? L0 is going to be this. Look at the formula you're going to use in. X minus the x0. You are supposed to start with x0, but because we are working with 0, so remove x0. Start with x1. X1 times x minus x2 times x minus x3. I'm supposed to continue up to x4, but I don't have x4 here. All over. We are working with L0, right? So it will be x0 minus x0 will not be included again. So x1 again. The one I didn't include at the numerator will not be included at the denominator as well. I didn't say x minus x0. So I shouldn't be having x0 minus x0 as well, because it will make it undefined. So x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. And now this is equal to x minus, what is x1?